Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to see who is live on TikTok. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your TikTok application on your phone, and now here as you can see on the top left side there is an icon here which has the word live. Just tap on it. And now after tapping on it, as you can see here, it shows me one of the lives, and you can scroll down to get more lives on the TikTok or more streams, as you can see. And you can scroll to the right like this in order to hide the chat or hide any other things on the screen and just show the video. Now you can also scroll back to the left in order to undo this change, and you have here on the top right corner how many viewers are watching this stream, and you can also scroll down more in order to see more streams, find yourself any live that you can watch. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.